Hello everyone, so let's continue to the next topic of the chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 is Advanced Formula and Function in MS Excel 2007. The next topic which we are having now is Conditional Formatting. Conditional formatting is used to format the data in the worksheet based on the specified condition. In simple way, when we talk about condition, when we talk about formatting, then formatting means making changes so our data look attractive and beautiful, like changing the style, changing the color, and making it bold, italic, underline. All that thing is known as formatting. But here the term is different. The term is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means we set a condition and according to that the values are get formatted. Now I will explain you how we have to do that. Take this example. Here we are having an Excel sheet. In this I have entered the name of the different students and their marks in different subjects. After that I have calculated total marks and then I have calculated percentage. Now I want to apply formatting, conditional formatting to this percentage. Means I want the student, those who are failed, their marks must display in red color. So what I have to do for that? First I have to select all the cells in which I want to apply conditional formatting. For selecting the cells like this, you can simply drag it, just click in the first cell and then drag it down. This method you can use, or you can use shift key and use down headed arrow key to drag it down. In that way also it can be selected. So first we have to select the cells to which we want to apply formatting. After selecting cells, we have to click on the Home tab. In Home tab, then in Style group, there is a button Conditional Formatting. So we have to click the down-headed arrow of this conditional formatting. Then there are many options. Then from these options, we have to select the option Highlight Cells. Now if what the condition we want to give, then here you can see that some menu get appears, greater than, less than, between, equal to. Some rules are given over here. So I want to highlight the cell whose value is less than 33, means those who are failed. So here I am selecting the option less than. As I selected less than, then a dialog box get appear on the screen. In this dialog box, some value is written. So here I am making a change here, that is less than 33. Less than 33, here by default the formatting is given light red with dark red text. If you want to change this formatting, that this formatting can be changed. Some of the colors names are written over here. Then border, red border, text red. So whatever the option you want, or if you want to apply your own formatting, then custom format, and then from here you can decide the formatting for border, for fill color, for numbers. Different formatting can be applied. So I want to save time, so here I am selecting this option only, that is light red fill with dark red text. Means cell color will fill with the right light red color and the text color will be dark red color. I am clicking on OK button. Now you will see the student, those who are getting marks less than 33, their marks are displaying in this red color. If you want to apply one more formatting or multiple formatting, the same process you have to use. Here I have selected these cells and now I am applying the condition, and this time I want between condition. Now I want the student, those who are getting the marks means between 33 and 70 or 75, 74. I want different formatting for them, 74. So here I am changing the formatting, that is I am selecting the option yellow fill with dark yellow text. This option I have selected. I am clicking on OK button, and now you will see that that particular formatting is there. The formatting which I had given was between. Now I will apply this formatting once again to explain this to you. First I am selecting the cells. After selecting the cells, conditional formatting, highlight cells. I have selected the option between. Okay, in between I have given between 33, 34, and then between 74, 75. Okay, this formatting I have given. I'm clicking on the OK button. I'm changing the formatting. Yellow color I want this time, so yellow color I have selected. I'm clicking on the OK button, and you will notice that there is only one particular cell in according to which the values get changed. Now I'm applying third condition, and this condition I want the students, those who are getting marks greater than 75. Okay, 75 I have used earlier, so 75, greater than 75. I want to apply the formatting green color, so green color I have selected, and now I have clicked on OK button, and that particular formatting is applied. So in this way, whatever the condition we set, according to it the values will be, the formatting will be applied according to that. Now the next topic which we are having is sorting. Sorting means to arrange data in ascending or descending order is called sorting. MS Excel offers 3 options to sort data. Now to explain this, I'm coming back to the this Excel sheet. Here some name of the students are written. As you can see, these names are not arranged in alphabetic order. Now I want to sort these values. So as I read it right now that there are 3 different methods, so I will explain you all those methods one by one. So first we have to select the values which we want to sort. So here I have selected all these, then accordingly we will sort it. After selecting the values, here you can see Aditi, Arjun, Kiran, Shekhar, Aditya, Anup. These are not arranged alphabetically. Here in Home tab, then there is a sort button. In this sort button, there it is written A to Z. Click on the down-headed arrow. 2 buttons are given, sort A to Z and Z to A. So I have selected the option A to Z. As I click on the button A to Z, now you will notice that all the names are arranged alphabetically. Not only the name, and accordingly the marks of the student will also be get arranged. Means whole record will be arranged according to the sorting option. Here I have used A to Z. A to Z means ascending order. Means it will start from A like that. Increasing order or ascending order. So all the names which was starting with alphabet A are coming at the top, then alphabet others names are coming at the bottom. Then if we want to arrange them according that in descending order, then we have to select in descending order, and then it will be arranged in descending order. Now you can see the names which are starting with S are coming at the top, and the name which is starting with alphabet A is coming at bottom. So this is the first method for sorting the values, that is by using a sort button which is given in the Home tabs in editing group. Now I will explain you the second method for this. The second method for this, click at the data menu. In data menu, then there is a 2 buttons given, that is sort buttons are given, that is A to Z and Z to A. So directly we can use this button. First I am using A to Z. Now you can see names are arranged alphabetically, A to Z and Z to A, then Z to A. Now third method is sort dialog box. First I am clicking on this button. Now sort dialog box gets appeared on the screen. Now we can decide that on what basis we want to sort the values. According to the name we want to sort the values, or according to some other thing like percentage or whatever. Here I want to sort the values according to the names. So values and Z to A alphabetic ascending or descending order, that have to be decided from here, and click on the OK button. Then all these values will be sorted. So there are 3 methods. Second method and third options are presented in the data menu, and the first one present in the Home tab. So these are the methods with the help of which we can sort our value. Okay, the next topic now is filtering data. Filtering is a process to find a data set in a cell range at a fast speed. A filtered range shows only the rows that meet all conditions specified for a column. So that is the definition, and now I will explain you in a simple way that what does it mean. Now Take this example. For example, here I have entered the marks of different students in different subjects. Now, because of any reason you want to see the record of any particular child, or you want to see the marks that according to a certain marks, then you have to apply filter. Take this example. Here I want to see the records of the student, those who get marks 92 in computer. So how I have to set filter. If you want to apply filter, then first click on the data menu. After clicking on the data menu, there is a button filter. So click on the filter button. As we click on the filter button, then for every field, down-headed arrow will appear on the screen. Now I want to apply condition for the computer, so I have to click the down-headed arrow of computer field. After this, as I will click, that it will show all the marks which I have entered here. So here I want to see the records of the student, those who get marks 92. So I have selected this option 92. After this, I have to click on the OK button, and it will show the record only of the student, those who get marks 92 in computer. In this way, we can apply filtering. So if you want to select exact marks, then this is the process for selecting exact marks like 92. Now you want to remove filtering, click on this button and then select all button, click on the OK button, and all the record will be displayed again. Now I am showing you once again in Hindi. I want to see the records of the student, those who get marks 74. So first deselect all these, then select only 74 and click on the OK button. Then only those record will be shown in which the student got marks 74. But if you don't want to select exact marks, you want to give some range, more than this, less than this. So for this purpose, the process will be different. So here, as you can see, the down-headed arrow are coming and only the selected record are displayed. Aditya and Anu got the 74 marks in Hindi, and therefore only their records are displayed. If you want to remove filtering, then just click on the filter button and the filtering will be removed, and again your all records will display on the screen. If you want to apply that particular condition, like not the exact condition, you want to apply the marks should be less than this or greater than this. For this purpose, we have to use another option. Okay, that is a custom filter. For applying the custom filter, just click on this filter button. Now I want to apply the custom filter for the percentage. Okay, so then click on the down-headed arrow. Then we have to scroll it down. Then filter, there's a number option, filter number. In filter numbers, there's no need to down, then filter number is there. Click on the filter number and then go to the custom filter button. Custom filter button dialog box will appear on the screen. Here we have to set the condition, that what condition we want. So I want that first I want greater than condition here, greater than 33. Okay, greater than 33, and here I am giving less than condition, or less than or greater than, less than equal to is also there, less than or equal to, less than or equal to 100 I have written over here. So means all the students, those who are passed, I want to see their records only. The marks is greater than, or I'm just changing the condition. I want to see greater than 75 and less than 100, less than or equal to 100. I am clicking on OK button. So now this, like Aditi, the marks was 74.75, so it is when we round it off, it is 75 only. So here, okay, I'm just changing the condition. I just don't want to take Aditi marks also. Okay, I'm taking 80 to 100. So here some more marks will be removed from here. I'm clicking on the OK button, and now you will see only the record of the student, those who are getting marks in the range 80 to 100, their records are displayed. In this way, we have to apply filter. So filtering, I'm explaining these steps once again. First, I'm removing the filter. So the filtering is removed, and again all records are displayed. Then just click on the filter button, filtering will be applied. click on the downward arrow on the basis of which you want to apply the condition according to the field. Then there is a button, there is an option number filters. In number filters, many options are here: equal, greater than, less than, between. So any option can be selected. If you want to apply custom filter can be given. So accordingly you can select any of these options. Like this time I want to greater than 90, want greater than 90. Okay, so I've given greater than 90. Okay, and only that record will display in which the child got marks greater than 90. So in this way we can apply custom filter. So here we have completed this chapter. So 3 topics we have done today. 4 topics: conditional formatting, sorting data, and filtering data. Custom filter already have explained to you that what is custom filter. That custom filter is a process to filter data on the basis of a specified condition. So not exact. Now if you want to select exact number, only filtering can be used, but if you want to give like less than, greater than, in that way you have to use custom filter. I hope all these topics will be clear to you. If you're having any doubt during your query time in WhatsApp group, you can post your query.